And of course, as always, this project isn't without challenges either. So what I discovered is right smack in the middle of the cinder block rows here, there's a rebar reinforcement all straight. I'll have to work that out, cut through it. Well. Can you believe it? After busting into this wall at the floor level here just to expose the rebar so I could cut it with a reciprocating saw, for about an hour I was just cutting, drilling, and sledgehammering at this in about 100-degree weather, and just to find out that the bottom of the rebar, turns out, doesn't even go into the bottom layer of cinder blocks. Not an entire waste, but sure is freaking irritating. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, yeah. Crash pad is in place, countdown is running to kick that sucker down.
That was satisfying!
If you're a do-it-yourselfer and you don't have a second set of hands, this is the protective device that prevents the door from either falling inside or outside. Got a board screw to the inside and a temporary clip-on steel core rope right there to prevent any disasters. And just for extra weather protection on the bottom here, I've installed some Lycor deck protector just to keep the rain out. Okay, so we've got 3 choice hangers here, ready for the boards to be placed in for this 3-foot landing that's going to be going down here. Underneath, I put a pond liner that'll last for 40 years or 100 years, and I'm starting to put some landscape rock on there that I had on hand here on the property. Anyways, this is ready to be installed real soon once it's stained.